Along came who? Who's happening? So I'm so happy to have you at preschool. So let's go inside and have a look at the classroom. Let's go.
When you come inside, you need to put your belongings in your locker and then wash your hands. We usually start with puzzles, then group time, where we learn about God, sing songs and read stories together.
Big Pear had had enough. She left to find someone new to play with. Look, she's disappearing.
Remember to bring a water bottle, healthy snack and lunch each day. We like to sit together to eat and chat, to get to know each other. We enjoy messy play at preschool. Slime, water play and the sandpit are our favourites. So bringing a full change of clothes is a great idea. Each day we like to go outside, even if it is cold or rainy, so wearing the right clothing is really important. A raincoat is good sometimes too. Because our days are busy, you might get tired, so there is always the opportunity for you to rest in the afternoon. You may choose to bring a small blanket and pillow to rest with. We are so excited that you are joining us this year. We can't wait to see you and have fun together.
Thanks for coming to preschool. We'll see you tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye.